Hello, welcome to the show. We are Sea Lake Journeys, and we want to show you the photo package that we got included in our premiere package on our Princess cruise on the Sun Princess. We were amazed at how many different ways they could photograph you, and they can even change the backgrounds on some of the photographs for you too. They took our photos all around the ship that week, going off the ship, boarding the ship, in the venues, and of course at the places where you get to pose on the formal nights. But we got our Christmas pictures taken there, and we just had a good time getting these photos done. The quality of them we found to be excellent. And the great thing about this photo package is that it's included in the premiere package when you buy it, and you get all the photos they take. They take all the different photos you had taken on your cruise and put them on a thumbnail so that you can take them home with the rights to use them like we're using them here on our channel. We also got 3 printed off for us at no extra cost. We even got our photo taken with a celebrity. That's right, Stanley the Bear. But this is a great opportunity if you're traveling with family or friends. You can also get group photos made with them. Any photo that your face is in will be included in your photo package. So take plenty of different clothes. We had our Christmas clothes, we had our excursion clothes, different clothes for formal nights. We take advantage of it to save those memories that we want to keep for years to come. The photographers are well trained and have a series of poses that they'll set you in. However, they are open to you coming up with your own pose and let you take your picture your way. We hope you've enjoyed seeing these photos and finding out what the Princess Photo Package can do for you. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.